Good day, guys. This is Billy First, your mentor. Today, let's grow this $15 account into huge numbers. So, our first setup here on gold 15 time frame. So, this is our first setup. Looking at gold is in an uptrend. That's looking at the bigger picture. So, we have this demand area right now, which gold is stepping into right now. All right, so we are taking some buys now. We are taking some buys. So, guys, from this demand area, we are expecting it to fly. Okay, so gold is dropping into the zone properly for us. So let me add another one. So just added another one, making it 2 positions. So we expect gold to fly. All right, so we expect gold to fly from here right now. Okay, so because it have entered the zone properly now, so the next step is for it to start flying. Okay, so look at our balance and our running positions. So this is our balance and our running positions here. So guys, boom, we are up over $100 right now. So let's see what happened. Let's check what happened. So this is what happened. Immediately as I told you guys, it just started going up, and then you can see here I just added few position and then up, straight up. So I knew it's going to happen like that. So this is how it happened on the 1 minute time frame. You can see like there was no single drawdown. It just started spiking to the upside like that. Okay, so let's close our positions now. So now we have closed all our positions. Our new balance is $128.24. All right, so this is what happened. You can see, and the gold is still even going up. But for now, let's close the positions. Okay, so let's close the position and secure some profit. Okay, so let's go look for a new setup and take this account to huge numbers. My target for this account is about 3K or more. Okay, so my target is around 3K. So let's take this account to 3K. So guys, we have new setup on gold again. So this is our new setup on gold. So new buy setup again. So let's quickly buy gold and I'll start explaining, guys. So guys, looking at gold is in a very serious uptrend right now, a very serious one. Okay, so a very serious uptrend. So, and we have this this previous demand area here. All right, so and gold have entered into the zone and it have reacted right now. All right, so but I'm not sure if it's going to come back again. That's why I just entered one position now. Then maybe if it enter the zone, I will enter more position. Or when it starts going up, when I confirm that it will not drop again, I will add more position. All right, so you can see. So from this zone, it's already tapped in. So I expect it to start flying because the trend is just too strong right now. Like the trend is too strong. And pullback is obligatory something in trading. That is why it even came down there. Boom. Now we are up over 1K right now. Let me show you guys. I added 2 more positions. Look at what I told you. I told you I'm not sure if it's going to tap in very well before it go back again. And you can see it didn't tap in properly again the second time. So that's how I entered one position. Then it started flying immediately. And I added 2 more positions. And then you can see just going up, and up. So we are up over $1,000 now. So let's go close our positions. So we have closed our positions now and our balance is now 1,045.29. Guys, this is a very good profit right now, but I still need more money. I want to take the account to 3K or more. That because that's my target for today. So let's go look for another new setup. Let's go look for another new setup. All right, because we need to make more money. We need more money right now. So let's go look for another setup ASAP. So we have new setup now on gold. All right, so it's still a buying setup on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so looking at gold, let's quickly buy one position before I explain it, guys. So looking at gold is currently at a very strong demand right now. Let me show you. So this is the 1 hour demand area, and this is a 1 hour demand area, and gold already reacted to this zone one time. All right, so let me show you. So gold dropped from this minor support. It dropped from this minor support to this major demand area. All right, so that's what made me to trust this setup very well. So it dropped from this minor support area to this major demand, and now we expect it to fly. Okay, so we expect it to fly. You see how it's reacting right now. Boom, guys, we are up $3,000 right now. Let me show you guys how it all happened. So look at it. So this is what happened. This is what happened. So immediately as we entered our trade, it just started going up. You can see there is no single drawdown from where we entered our trade, and from where we entered our second trade, there is no single drawdown. You get, so there is no single drawdown, and then the market just kept going up, 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 up. All right, so now we are up 3K, but I want the market to still pull back, and I'll add more position, and I will make the account maybe 4,000 or 5,000. Okay, it depends. I've increased the amount I want from this account right now. So let's check and see what's going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to be playing it for you guys live here. You're going to see everything live. All right, so I added more positions now. So I added more position now, and the reason is because of the minor resistance there. Alright, so the reason is because of the minor resistance there, and right now I expect the market to fly. Okay, so I expect the market to fly right now from this minor resistance, and when it goes up, we are closing our trades. So it's going up, guys. The market is going up. It's going up. We are running over 35 right now. So let's start closing these trades, guys. We need to start closing this. The market is flying. Boom, guys. So guys, we are up $4,064.69. Guys, we have achieved our profit target. All right, so with this 4K right now, I'm okay with the 4K. So I'm very, very okay with the 4K profit right now. So that's how we do it. It's very, very easy. It's very easy. All you need is the skill. All right, so the only broker that will allow you to do this is XNES broker. So to register, check on this video description and register. All right, so make sure to register XNET, and also I sent out all these signals free, so check on the video description. I'm gonna drop the link so that you can join the team.